I also have a winter variant of earphones. They are called a snow leopard or a fluffy chicken. Take headphones for a smartphone and attach a strip of faux fur. Hot glue the fur to the headband and the head cups. If there isn't enough fur, add one more strip. These headphones are like fluffy pets. You would want to cuddle them more and more. Even music becomes warmer in them. It's frost and sunshine, wondrous morning, except for the day when you need to have proper sleep. Make a lovely sleep mask so that sun rays don't spoil your morning sleep. Cut out 2 mitten silhouettes from felt of different colors. Cut out a pattern from white felt and decorate the mittens. Hot glue the details overlapping each other like this. Hot glue or sew down a rubber band to the wrong side. The cute mittens will protect your sleep, and you will wake up all beautiful and refreshed. It's freezing cold! It's high time to sit in front of a fireplace and get your feet warm. But even the fireplace doesn't help when it's super cold. Should I warm up my feet just above the fire? Keep calm. You don't need any tough methods. You should do better and wear warm socks made from a sweater. Take an old pullover you don't wear anymore and cut off the sleeves. Cut out 2 ovals according to the length of your feet from the middle part of the sweater. These will be soles. Sew the soles to the sleeves using thick knitting yarn. You will feel warm and comfy in these homemade socks. You may even go to a winter ball wearing your lovely DIYs. All of my clothes are covered in white fluff after taking off my down jacket. I seem to have hugged a Yeti, but my caring friend knows how to clean my sweater. Take adhesive tape and attach it to the fabric. The fluff sticks to the tape and there is no traces of the Yeti hug. And if you want to get pilling off your sweater, use a razor. Shave the affected areas gently until all the pills are gone. They won't bother you anymore, and your outfit will look flawless. Are you going to put on your sad black hat again? Is it a winter funeral coming? No way, my friend! You need to be bright this season. Cut out half an oval from the same sweater we used for making socks. Turn it inside out and hot glue along the edge. Turn the hat right side out again. Hot glue or sew down a bright pom-pom to the top. Fold the edges outwards. My friend puts on a bright hat. Here you go! It's quite a different story. The hat matches your blue eyes and the pom-pom is so funny. And where are my mittens? Don't you cry, I've got a whole set. Exploit the pullover to the fullest. Cut out a mitten silhouette to fit your hand. Hot glue the 2 details. Turn it right side out. Trim the cut edge with knitting yarn and decorate the mittens with pom-poms. The mittens match your new hat. It's Winter Friendship Collection 2018. I've got no idea of how to fix a stuck zipper. My fingers are hurt, but the slider is still there. My friend comes to rescue me, as always. Rub the stuck zipper with pencil lead. One more option is to rub it with a candle. Choose whatever you've got on hand, a candle or a pencil, and zip your boots without any problem. Did you like our winter life hack compilation? Write in your comments which hack you will definitely try this winter. Will you make a warm muff? Or will you wear a Pink Panther snood scarf? Or will you prefer to make slip-proof boots? And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell. It's the winter Troom Troom ringing!